Welcome back to Ride Freedom Flyers, the 2026 Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade. Like the thrill? Subscribe for more power. Standing as a monument to precision engineering, the 2026 Fireblade SP is a masterclass in moto dive technology, featuring a silhouette sculpted by the wind to achieve a class-leading drag coefficient that slices through the atmosphere with surgical efficiency. Every aggressive line of its carbon-reinforced fairings serves a functional purpose, from the integrated multi-tier winglets that generate massive downforce at high speeds to the ultra-low fuel tank cover that allows the rider to tuck into a perfect aerodynamic bubble. Beneath this lethal exterior lies a 1000cc inline-four powerhouse that shares the same over-square bore and stroke architecture as the legendary RC213V, screaming toward a stratospheric 14,500 RPM redline to deliver a staggering 217 horsepower. This mechanical beast is tamed by an elite suite of electronics, including a 6-axis IMU that governs 9 levels of Honda selectable torque control, 3 levels of wheelie control, and an updated quickshifter that snaps through the 6-speed gearbox with lightning speed. The riding position is unapologetically committed and track-focused, placing you deep within the machine to maximize tactile feedback through the clip-ons, while the rear sets provide a grounded, high-stability stance. For aggressive leaning, handling is nothing short of telepathic thanks to the third-generation Hillen's Smarty C3.0 semi-active suspension, which utilizes a pressurized NPX fork to adjust damping in real time based on lean angle and throttle position, paired with Brembo-style Mara calipers that provide anchor-like stopping power as you gaze through the 5-inch full-color TFT dashboard. The roar from the lightweight titanium Akrapavek exhaust echoes the bike's racing pedigree, creating a visceral symphony that blurs the line between a street-legal machine and a pure race weapon. Every twist of the throttle-by-wire system offers a linear, explosive delivery of torque, ensuring that whether you are chasing lap times on a circuit or carving through canyon roads, the experience is an all-out assault on the senses. The 2026 Fireblade isn't just a motorcycle, it's a high-revving monument to speed, blending Honda's legendary reliability with a level of performance that challenges the laws of physics. From the RC213V's derived aluminum swing arm to the diamond-like carbon-coated internal components, no detail has been overlooked in the pursuit of absolute domination. The ride is stiff yet sophisticated, absorbing imperfections while providing a rigid platform for extreme cornering speeds that make you feel like a professional racer. This machine is designed for those who demand the very best, offering a riding experience that leaves every competitor in its wake and solidifies Fireblade's legacy as the king of the lead. As you click into top gear and the world dissolves into a streak of color, you realize that this is more than just transport. It is a masterpiece of motion, a technological marvel that transforms every ride into an adrenaline-fueled journey. The heat from the radiator, the vibration through the frame, and the sheer G-force of acceleration combine to create a bond between man and machine that few other vehicles can emulate. It is a relentless pursuit of perfection that culminates in a bike that is as beautiful to look at as it is terrifying to ride at the limit. For the enthusiast who lives for the apex and the rush of the red line, there is simply no substitute for this masterpiece.